In today's lesson, I'm going to share my top tips for preparing for IELTS speaking and writing. The writing and speaking part of the exam are often the most difficult because you don't know what questions are going to come up and you're under time pressure. But these tips are going to help you prepare and feel more confident. Tip 1. So the IELTS isn't just testing your language, it's testing whether you can speak confidently about a range of topics in English. And common themes in the exam include the environment, technology and AI, architecture and city life, education and health, social change, transport and daily life. So before the exam, you need to have some knowledge about these subjects so you don't freeze in the exam. You think, oh yeah, I read an article about that the other day. I'm going to write about this or speak about this. So it gives you more confidence going into the exam. Tip 2, read a little every day. It doesn't have to be for long, maybe 10 minutes. For example, the BBC News, and read the different categories. So technology, business, politics, the environment, so that you have an idea of what's happening in the world, so that if any of those questions come up, you know how to answer them. But also, this is the time when you have to note down new vocabulary that you learn when you're reading, and then write it down in context, in your own words. But I'll explain that in more detail later in this lesson. Tip 3, listen to English. Listening is also really good for idea training. Choose podcasts on different topics. Short ones are completely fine as well. Listening exposes you to opinions, problems, solutions, everyday situations, which are the same ideas you need for the speaking and writing. Tip 4, practice explaining things in your own words. When you read or listen to something, try and summarize it out loud or write a short summary. Ask yourself, what was the main idea? What do I think about it? Do I agree or disagree? This will help you build your confidence and your ability to think in English, which is exactly what the examiners are looking for. There's a free PDF in the description of IELTS speaking cue cards that you can practice on your own and decide how you would answer them so you feel more confident and prepared going into the exam. So download that and practice that. Tip 5, learn the structure of IELTS speaking and writing. Speaking part 1, keep it short, personal, and add a little bit of detail. Part 2, situation, detail, and why it matters. It helps you fill the 2 minutes. Part 3, opinion, reason, example, mini conclusion. Your answer should be a little bit more analytical here. For writing, learn how each task type works so you don't waste time in the exam deciding on the structure. And I'll be doing some lessons on that soon. Tip 6, build flexible vocabulary. Focus on topic vocabulary instead of memorizing phrases. Vocabulary connected to technology, the environment, transport, education, work, culture appear again and again in the IELTS exam. And remember, use vocabulary that feels natural to you. We're not trying to change your personality here. I suggest that you use a notebook to write down the vocabulary under topic categories. Then practice using the words by writing short sentences or saying examples out loud. It doesn't have to take long, a couple of minutes a day, and it will really, really help you. These tips will help you develop ideas quickly and feel more prepared for the exam. There's a free PDF of all the tips in the link below. There is also a free PDF in the description below of IELTS speaking practice cue cards to help you prepare for the exam. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.